7 Addictive Coffee Facts. 1. Origin of coffee. Coffee was first discovered in Ethiopia in the 9th century. Legend has it that a goat herder named Kaldi noticed his goats became energetic after eating berries from a certain plant. He tried the berries himself and experienced a similar effect, leading to the discovery of coffee. 2. Second most traded commodity. Coffee is the second most traded commodity in the world, after crude oil. It is grown in over 50 countries and provides a livelihood for millions of farmers around the globe. 3. Coffee and caffeine. Coffee is well known for its caffeine content. Caffeine acts as a natural stimulant and can help improve focus, alertness, and mood. On average, a cup of coffee contains about 95 milligrams of caffeine. 4. The world's most consumed beverage. Coffee is the most consumed beverage worldwide, with over 2 billion cups consumed every day. It is a staple in many cultures and is enjoyed in various forms, such as espresso, cappuccino, and drip coffee. 5. Coffee aroma. The smell of coffee alone can have a stimulating effect. Research suggests that the aroma of coffee can help reduce stress and increase cognitive performance. It's no wonder why many people find the smell of freshly brewed coffee irresistible. 6. Coffee beans or seeds. Coffee beans are actually the seeds found inside the coffee cherry. Each cherry usually contains 2 seeds, which are the coffee beans we're familiar with. The beans are harvested, processed, and roasted to create the coffee we enjoy. 7. Coffee and health benefits. Moderate coffee consumption has been associated with several health benefits. Studies have suggested that coffee may reduce the risk of certain diseases, such as type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and liver disease. However, it's important to note that individual reactions to coffee can vary. These fascinating coffee facts highlight the rich history, global popularity, and unique characteristics of this beloved beverage.